Welcome to the inside look at one of the world's most modern banana leaf processing facilities.
The harvest is done carefully by hand to ensure the banana tree remains healthy for future growth.
Traditional harvesting methods meet industrial scale to provide a steady supply for global demand.
Only the highest quality leaves, rich in strong natural fiber and free of defects, are chosen. Welcome to the inside look at one of the world's most modern banana leaf processing facilities. Every day, tons of raw materials are collected from sustainable farms to enter the production line. Every day, tons of raw banana leaves are collected from sustainable farms to enter the production line.
The first step in the factory is removing the thick central rib, a process requiring speed and precision.
This facility is designed for maximum flow, minimizing waste at every turn.
Efficiency is key at this stage to prevent the fresh leaves from wilting before processing.
Organization is the foundation of a high-tech facility, ensuring every batch is traceable. Automation begins here, reducing human contact and maintaining the highest hygiene standards. Data tracking allows the factory to monitor yield and quality in real time. The leaves are now prepared to undergo a rigorous purification process.
Look closely at the natural strength of these fibers, soon to be transformed into durable eco-wear.
Precision measurements ensure the consistency of the final molded product.
Every step is supervised by experts to ensure international compliance.
Only A-grade leaves proceed to the high-end tableware production line. Human intuition still plays a vital role alongside high-tech sensors.
Climate control within the facility is strictly managed to preserve the leaves' integrity.
With thousands of leaves moving through every hour, the scale is truly breathtaking.
Smart logistics ensure that no batch is left unprocessed for more than 4 hours.
Frequent sanitation breaks are a core part of the daily operating procedure.
Robotics reduce manual labor, allowing workers to focus on quality oversight.
We are now moving into the most critical stage, the industrial cleaning process.
Modern engineering meets natural materials in perfect harmony. Purity is the promise we make to every customer worldwide.
High-pressure jets remove stubborn particles, cleaning both the bright green top and the pale underside of each frond.
Automated brushing ensures every square inch of these oversized leaves is polished and sanitized. This massive facility handles over 50,000 banana leaves daily, with zero cross-contamination. Industrial air knives remove surface moisture in seconds to maintain the leaf's natural color. Precision heating softens the internal fibers, preparing the Musa frond for its final transformation.
Controlled dehydration is the secret to making the leaves durable enough for commercial use.
Standardization allows us to feed the molding machines at a rate of 1 plate every 3 seconds.
Contactless handling prevents any recontamination before the final heat sterilization.
UVC light provides a final layer of microbial defense, ensuring the product is shelf-stable.
Maintaining 12% moisture content is the Goldilocks zone for perfect molding results.
The preparation is complete. The leaves are now ready to take their new form. Even after treatment, the leaf retains its incredible natural protection. Multiple layers will soon be fused into a single, rock-solid biocomposite. Robotics ensure that every plate has the exact same fiber orientation for strength. The blue glow of hygiene ensures a product you can trust. Nothing is left to chance in our pursuit of perfection.
High-speed production makes eco-friendly products affordable for everyone.
The transformation begins.
This layering technique ensures the final plate will not crack or leak under pressure.
Each plate is made from 100% organic Musa leaf material, with no glues or additives.
High heat at 180 degrees Celsius instantly sanitizes and bonds the fibers into a rigid structure.
The raw leaves are now ready for their high-tech transformation into eco-friendly dinnerware.
The intense heat at 180 degrees Celsius sterilizes the leaf while activating its natural resins. Once steamed, the leaves become as easy to work with as fabric, but with the strength of bioplastic. Beyond industrial pressing, we also embrace traditional craftsmanship by hand-weaving the treated banana leaves. The parallel fibers of the Musa leaf provide incredible tensile strength, perfect for intricate weaving patterns.
This artisanal approach celebrates the organic origin of our materials while creating a unique, premium texture.
Thanks to our eco-treatment, the leaves remain supple enough for tight weaving without breaking.
The result is an exquisite, textured piece of tableware that is both rustic and sophisticated.
Each tray is a unique work of art, with no two patterns of the natural banana leaf being exactly alike.
A brief secondary heat treatment sets the shape and locks the woven fibers into place permanently. It takes approximately 4 hours of manual labor to complete a single high-quality woven tray.
Despite being made entirely of leaves, the structural integrity rivals that of synthetic materials.
Sustainability is not just about the environment. It's about the people who bring these materials to life.
The beautiful texture of the woven Musa leaf is unmistakable and high-end.
We offer a full range of banana leaf products, from daily use plates to artisanal servingware.
The organic aesthetics of the banana leaf make it a centerpiece in any sustainable home.
Protection is minimal yet effective, keeping the artisanal trays pristine during transit.
Quality, craft, and sustainability, all woven into a single product.
The final stage begins with a rigorous quality audit to ensure every hand-woven piece meets global standards.
Designed for versatility, these trays are ideal for serving dry foods, bread, or fruits in high-end eco-resorts.